Today we are going to make perfect light and fluffy almond cake. So why don't you make this yummy cake and enjoy it with a cup of tea? This is perfect for your parties or your summer picnics. Let's start with our ingredients. We will need butter 200 grams, sugar 200 grams, eggs 4, all-purpose flour 175 grams, crushed almond 100 grams, salt 1/4 teaspoon, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon, baking powder 2 teaspoon. Prepare the batter. Sift the flour, baking powder and salt. The purpose of sifting is to pass the air through the flour so our cake will be soft and fluffy. Add butter in a large bowl. Add sugar, mix it with spatula, and then beat it with a beater. We will beat it until it gets light and fluffy. Now we will add eggs one by one while beating. Third, fourth, also add vanilla essence and beat. Like this. Add flour mixture and fold with spatula lightly. Beat for few seconds to mix the flour in the batter. After adding flour, we should not overbeat it, otherwise our cake will become hard and not light and fluffy. Add crushed almonds and mix lightly. Prepare almond topping. Line the cake tin with butter paper and grease with butter properly. There we go. Let's fill in all of that area. Also the sides. Cut the almonds into half and arrange in the tin. Add the batter in the tin and slightly tap it to remove any air bubbles. Level the batter with the spatula. Place a cardboard under the tin while baking so that the almonds don't burn. Bake it for 40 to 45 minutes at 180 degrees. A way to know if cake is baked, insert a toothpick. If it comes out clean, it means our cake is fully baked. Turn the pan on a wire rack. Let it cool. For making glaze, boil 2 tablespoons of any yellow colored jam in 1/4 cup of water for 2 to 3 minutes. It will give a shine to our cake. Apply this on the top of the cake with a soft brush. Wow, that changes the whole color. It gives a shine to it. I like it. Our yummy almond cake is ready. Hope you guys liked the video and please try this recipe. It's really delicious. Don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell. See you on the next video. Bye.